guys, it's Lisa from WTI, and I wanted to review with you some of the really nice features that the Bormioli Rocco 4-piece glass container set has. For starters, the company is an Italian company known for their quality glassware, and this container set is no exception to that. The glass is heavy duty. The container lids themselves are very well made. They have a attached gasket, so once this lid is in place and it snaps on, it is airtight and spill proof, which makes this wonderful for transporting it, especially if you do meal prep ahead of time or have some sloshy leftovers. This keeps them contained and keeps your refrigerator clean. Speaking of refrigerator, it goes from your refrigerator storage with the food inside to being able use in the microwave and also even in the oven if that's where you prefer to heat up your food for some items, and then right into the dishwasher, top and bottom, both dishwasher safe, so you can use that right there. Again, very happy with this set. I like the convenient sizes that this comes in, and I would highly recommend the Bormioli Rocco 4-piece glass container set. And that is my point of view.